All right, y'all see it, man. Market pulling back more. I just seen the article saying Trump talking about putting more tariffs on China, so it ain't over with. It's just getting started. He just starting to take off his warm up suit. Anyway, take advantage of these dips. I know a lot of y'all running out of cash. Like I say, man, I get it. I mean, it's normal, but when you got to take advantage of this opportunity though. All those trips you got for the future, man, you might have to call them off because this gonna be a life changing money experience for you, man. Like say billionaires I made in these kind of markets, man. I'm buying. So it is what it is, man. Let's get to it. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Um, you are the CEO of your portfolio. I'm just showing you what I am doing. If you like it, you can come follow. I done rolled through these markets before, 2020, 2022, all the way to 2025. So am I scared of it? No. Just gotta hold your breath and keep on buying, man. But let's get to it. We're gonna go get these dividend stocks, man. All right, we're gonna start out with some weekly payers. First, I'm gonna give you some ones you got to buy another portfolio. Let me give you OXLC. This got down to 391 today. This pays a dividend 9 cents a share a month. Go get you some of that. CRF Cornerstone. This pays like 11.8 cents a share. Go get you some of that. Put your buy order limits in. I'm sorry, man. Put it at $5.81 for CRF. And OXLC $3.91. Also get you some CLM. This the brother of Cornerstone, or brother or sister, however you want to say it. Got it on this list, man. Got a long list, just trying to find stuff. Go in at $6.16. See, it went from 16 cents and shot 6.16 and shot up 6.75 quick. All right, let's go in this one, man. We're gonna go QYLD. Usually pay 16 cents a share a month, but like I said, the races trade that you not gonna get that. You're probably gonna get right now 14 to 15 cents a share a month. That's the price range that's trading in. Anyway, fractional shares, man, cashing up plus buying. So let that be that. All right, QYLD. We're gonna go with the brother RYLD. Going to knock those two out the way. QYLD, RYLD, GOF, CRF. All right, we're gonna go ARR. I'm a residential REIT. $14.76. I'm just doing fractional shares. I'm doing full shares in my Webull portfolio and my Charles Schwab. We're gonna go AGNC. I know this got below the $9 range last week. Go get some of that. 12 cents a share. AGNC pays 12 cents a share. ARR pays 24 cents a share a month. We're gonna go YMAX. It's at what, 11.73. I might go get me a whole share of this, man. What it got down to today? 10.11. I like that price. This pays out weekly. Trades 24 hours also. Also get $3 worth while I'm here. Just in case it runs up. I don't know if the day could have been the bottom we were looking for, but you can't time the market, so you got to trade the market you in. White mag. Go get some land. This also pays out monthly. YMAG and YMAX pays out weekly. This Gladstone land got a 5% yield, 5 to 6% yield. Time to buy these dips on that. We're gonna go with RC, Ready Capital. Gonna go HPP. Buy some of that dip. That's a quarterly pan read, not a high yield. We're gonna go QDTE. $30.53 is that. And that's why I say you don't want to load up on nothing. The dollar cost average in and accumulate. When things get a little better, continue to buy. But once it pass your average cost, just sit back and chill. That's my plan and strategy. Alright, gonna go OPI. It's gonna be a swing trade. Y'all can stay out of this one. $10 shares, 0.36, 36 cents. Pays a 5% yield. Looking for a reverse stock split on that one anyway. We're gonna go SPYT. Spit. Pays usually 33 cents a share. Being at the market down, it's probably gonna give you like a 29 or a 30 or 32, somewhere between there. Alright, man, we back at it. Gonna get that spit. Some QQQY. Market went down, like it bounced back pretty quick though. From what I seen, I had the pattern on all these stocks. That's a good sign. People taking advantage of these dips. IWMY. $5 worth of that. Got some quarterly payers. TCPC. $3 worth of that. Start accumulate that. So when these entry rates get cut, I could be in a driver's seat, ready to take off. I'm gonna go ARI, Apollo Commercial REIT. Be ready for dividend cuts. Might get some cuts for a couple months. It might go back to the regular. I'm already expecting that. Got Coney. Get a little bit of that. I like MSTY though. HRZN, Horizon Technology. 11 cents a share a month. USOY. Just want to get my 100 shares and let this rock on out. Like I said, you ain't got to buy everything, man. Just dollar cost average on in. I'm just stretching my money out. MSTY. Definitely one I like. High dividend yielder. Realty O. Pays like 26.5 share a month. I like around the $52 range. Is there. GOOY. APLY, options on Apple. Haven't brought any of this in a while. $5 worth of that. TSLY. Also pays out monthly. OXSQ. Go in at 228. I just put my buy limit order in, and I did it earlier. 228 for 5 shares. And I brought $3 worth at 236. So y'all do that. SCHD. Charles Schwab Dividend ETF. I did get my 100 shares in my Cash App portfolio. Definitely a buy, hold, and don't look at it. Stop. We're going to go SCHG. Working on my 100 shares in my Cash App portfolio on this one. All right, back at SCHG. Got to take advantage of these dips. It's a buy and holder. I'm going to go with AQN. Goldquin Utilities. $3 worth for that. Ticker WU, Western Union. $5 worth for that. I think that's paying about a 9% dividend yield, right about 9. ABR. Arbor Realty. I loaded up on that and shouldn't have done it, but just reinvested dividends. SBSW. This is gonna be a swing trade. This is a precious metal company. Got down to 337 today. I like it below the 350. Now I sell it around the 450. So time for me to buy some of this for a swing trade. So I just swing traded recently before the tariffs. I sold and got out. All right, y'all put this one on OPP. Ticker OPP. Got to go to another brokerage company. Put your buy order in at $8.01. That's not River North. It's an opportunities fund. It's a CEF. Does pay monthly dividends. Also, one said pays about 12 to 15 cents a share. But you can't trade it in Robinhood. So another one, WEN. Wendy's should have made a new 52-week low, 1260. So definitely going to buy some at a buy limit order. My other portfolio. Nike on this list too. NKE. 53.41 it was at. Gotta go get you some of that. I'm gonna do another video on my Cash App portfolio with some growth stocks, man. I'm gonna start doing that daily too. Y'all got Cash App. Y'all can take advantage of that too, man. Most of y'all use it every day anyway. You could be making money off it. TOPT. It's top 20 dividends of the U.S. stock market. Top 20 stocks of the S&P 500. Just say that to make it simple. All right, man, we're going to go check out traps. Like I said, I'm going to do another video with the growth stock. Do that overnight. All right, MPW, everything, bank stocks down. We already know that. Got Realty. Energy Transfer did supposed to make a new 52-week low. I'm already down at 1093 because I brought this a long time ago. So I just keep it for the dividend. My average cost like 1094, so I just keep it for the dividend. New Tech. We'll get some of that. I want to go get some EFC too, Ellington Financial. Leggett and Platt down. Time to get some of that. If you really trying to average down in it, it's your time to do it. Like I said, everything is down, man. Just like I said, this is the time you go in that safe for that savings, man, and you deploy that money. You'll get it back in dividends. You got good, Gladstone good, pays out dividends, $13.29. Pays out monthly. Need this to come down some more. I got a good foundation. Kraft Heinz, KHC. I know this down bleeding. Put that on the list. KHC. Gotta get that. SEM Stellis. This pays out monthly, $11.90. I'm at $12.88. We'll get some of that. There go EFC, Ellington Financial, $11.75, $12.33. This pays out 13 cents a share a month. Time to go get you some of that. I wish I could trade his brother Earn, man. They done stopped giving you the access to trade on this with that company. Another one I forgot on the list, Prospect Capital, down to $3.40 today. Go get some of that. 4.5 cents a share a month dividend. Does this trade 24 hours? Let's see. Nope. Get 2 shares of that every day. All right, we was at Ellington Financial. We did get some of that. That's where the video stopped at. Ticker D, Dominion Energy. 5022. Definitely got to get some of this. This is a buy and hold stock. Lower your average cost there. Definitely a buy. All right, that's EFC. We did get Ready Capital. That was on my list. Dynex Capital pays out monthly. Oh, we got to get some USOI and Viatris, VTRS. We got TCPC, TSLX down 4.7%. I'm still up. PMC is Penny Mac Mortgage. Can let that come down some more. I can put my money in IVR. Got to get that pets. But we at 326 today. This definitely a swing trade. Got SBSW, Charge Point. Bullish today, ain't gonna bother that. There we go, Viatris. Need to get some of that. Time for you to lower your average cost. Need to get some PFLT and USOI. 2 monthly payers. Metafast, going to get some of that. There we go, PFLT. Got to get XYLD also. Junk bond down. Man, so many deals out here, man. This portfolio gonna look good if I was on these dividends, man. RPT, another swing trade. Y'all can stay out of this one. Does pay a good dividend though, $2.28. (9.3% yield). Vici want that to come down some more. BLV bond pays out monthly. BGS Foods. Well, everything getting whooped. Intel, how we looking? Yep, time to buy. INTC, Intel. Where we going? I got this in another portfolio. 1824. We're gonna go in that on Intel. BNS, Bank of Nova Scotia, Canadian Bank. Strong dividend yield. Lionel Balls with strong dividend yielder. All right, we was at LYB. Strong dividend yielder. That's a buy and hold stock. Redwood Trust is another one, nice dividend yielder, nice swing trader. 496. We're gonna go in that. Buy order in there. Gonna swing trade that one. Postal down, man. Everything down. Everything. I know y'all don't hear me keep saying this, but everything down, man. I got a big portfolio. But I make them dividends in this one. I can just stop trading and just let this just my money just cash up. To be honest, I mean just pile up. 2866 Getty Realty. I'm still up. I mean, got a good foundation there. IVR decreases dividend to 34 cents a share. Got to get IVR. Man, ORC, one of my favorites, man, getting hammered. If this dividend yield drop, man, this gonna be they probably gonna have a sell off. Gonna get ugly for them. But it is a reach. You got to expect that, man. All right, USOI is oil. Where we at with SDIV? Oh yeah, time to get this. Another monthly pairs, a Global X fund. It's the new 52-week low now. They 1801. Yep, time to buy SDIV. GSBD, how can I forget about you, Goldman Sachs? All right, UAN, CVR. Trying to get some of that. All right, we got all that. AP, these are all the Yield Max portfolios. Well, Yield Maxes. See what AGGH bond is, $20.99. I got a good foundation there. Chimera is another REIT. I got one of these. Waste Management down 2.37%. Got this on the $1 recurring investment. Let that just ride out. PYPY. FEPI and them down, but not down enough. Clip down 6.9%. I go get some of this at that discount. It has been paying a decent dividend, like 60-something cents a share a month. I'm going to add a couple on here. SVOL, another one pays 27 cents a share a month. And Earn, they probably still don't let you trade it. Keep that just for the dividend. All right, y'all, and that's it. I'm going to check out Suns, man, SUNS, because it didn't give me an average cost. This was a spinoff. I just keep it for the dividend. Yes, I go bless it here. Whatever, $3 ain't gonna hurt me. All right, y'all, that's it, man. Y'all enjoy your day. Stay safe out there. Signing off. Go get your money.